Undermount sink installations using no-drill fasteners. No-drill fastener components. No-drill sink fasteners consist of a stamped metal sink clip, a base stud, and a wing nut. You'll need 4 of each to set an Undermount lavatory sink and 1 633 gel quick set epoxy glue cartridge. You'll notice that the base studs are perforated. This is so that the glue will encapsulate the base plate as it's set into the wet glue, creating a chemical and a mechanical bond. You can use either epoxy glue or acrylic glue to set no-drill fasteners. Prep the surface with acetone, and always remember to use extreme caution when using acetone. Locate where each base stud will be mounted and apply a small amount of acetone onto the stone. Spread out and clean anything off the stone quickly. Allow all of the acetone to dry completely. Measure where each base stud will go. Keep each one a minimum of 1/4 inch away from the sink unit. This will give you adequate room for the sink to be installed later. Position all 4 base studs so they are evenly spaced around the sink. A good tip is to trace around each base stud with a pencil or a Sharpie pen to mark where each base stud will be mounted. We also suggest that you wrap the threaded end of each base stud with a small amount of masking tape. This will keep the glue from getting on the threads of the stud. When mixing either type of glue, epoxy or acrylic, remember to wear rubber gloves and use a mixing board for best results. 1 glue cartridge is enough to set 4 base studs. Remove the seal cap from the end of the cartridge. Use it to keep any unused glue components that are left over. Half of the plunger will dispense glue for enough for 2 base studs. Squirt out the desired amount of glue onto your mixing board. Then replace the cap on the tip of the cartridge assembly and save this glue for your other applications. The glue will dispense in 2 parts, A and B. Notice the blue color as you start to mix the 2 parts together. Use a stirring stick to quickly blend the 2 components together. Notice how the colors will change from blue to more of a white as the glue is being mixed. Keep blending until all of the blue goes away and the glue color is predominantly white. Collect all of your mixed glue on your end of your stirring stick and transfer it to where you've marked or traced where the stud base will be set. Apply half on each spot. Quickly set each base stud into the glue. Push it down so that it seats into the glue. Smooth down the glue so it covers the perforated base stud. Repeat this step for each base stud that you set. The glue will dry quickly, but check it often. When the glue is dried sufficiently, you can remove the tape if you use it to protect the threads. Now the glue's color will be a milky white when it is hardened, and the base stud will be set firm. You can install the stamped metal sink clip over the base stud and slide the clip into position. Attach the wing nut to the threaded end on the base stud and spin down the wing nut until it's secure. Once the wing nut is secure, the clip will hold the sink. Repeat these steps for the remaining clips that you'll be using. 633 gel epoxy and the no-drill sink fasteners will help your undermount sinks hang in there for years to come with chemical concepts.